Welcome to GFiber. Let's get your new Wi-Fi 7 set up. It should only take about 15 to 30 minutes. Want to make it even easier? Download the GFiber app for step-by-step help right on your phone. Let's take a quick look at what's inside your kit. Inside, you'll find the GFiber Wi-Fi 7 router, power adapters, Ethernet cables, and a mesh extender if you need it. First, let's find your fiber jack. It's that small device on the wall, installed by GFiber, that brings internet into your home. This is where you'll connect your new Wi-Fi 7 router. Need help finding your fiber jack? Visit this link. Once you've found the fiber jack, press the indents on the sides to pull off the cover. If you're swapping out an older router, go ahead and disconnect it now. Now you're going to want to make sure the fiber jack is plugged in and powered on. The lights will let you know it's working. If you don't see lights, grab the new power adapter from your kit and plug it into the fiber jack in a nearby outlet. Then press the power button underneath until it clicks. The lights should start blinking and then turn solid green. If that doesn't happen, unplug the adapter, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. If you're still not seeing a green light, our award-winning customer service team is here to help. Now that your fiber jack is ready, let's connect your router to the internet. Grab the Ethernet cable from your kit. Plug one end into the fiber jack and the other into the top port on the router. It's the one with the globe icon. Then, plug in the router and slide the fiber jack cover back on. You'll know you're online when the top two lights on the router become solid green. Don't worry if it's not instant. It can take up to 3 minutes to fully connect. Now let's set up your Wi-Fi. If you're upgrading from another GFiber router, you don't need to set up a network. Your Wi-Fi name and password will transfer automatically. If you're a new GFiber customer, just open the GFiber app, open the Network tab, and set up your Wi-Fi name and password. When you're there, you can even personalize your setup and add a guest network to keep your devices secure. Prefer to set up with a browser? Visit the link below and sign in to get started. If you also have a mesh extender you need to set up, check out the next video. Your new GFiber Wi-Fi 7 router is connecting you to multi-gig speeds over Wi-Fi. Want to see the Wi-Fi 7 difference in real time? Stand next to the router and visit speedtest.net to check your Wi-Fi speed with your new device. If you're upgrading from older GFiber equipment, you'll get email instructions to return it. Want to recycle your old router or any other GFiber gear? Just let us know, and we'll send you a mailing label to take care of it at no extra charge. Need help? Reach out through the Google Fiber app. You can troubleshoot your internet, manage your account, and contact customer service all right in the app. Or visit fiber.google.com/support. If social media is more your thing, just send us a message on your favorite platform.